all your rounds. Ready? Up.
Ready.
Excellent. Easy. Up. Very good. Thanks for coming to Triskel Academy in Bulgaria. You shot with AK, AR-15, some pistols. How was this experience for you?
Very nice, very wild and safe.
Very good. Safety is the most important.
Yeah.
Thank
It
you.
is.
And for you?
It's a big experience for me. The instructor was super great, and I think it's best part of my travel.
Thank you very much, guys, and you are always welcome to Triskel Academy in Bulgaria and our shooting range.